Do you believe in religion?
Of course I do. Ancient astronaut theory. The Earth was seeded by aliens.
We should do a workshop together. Can't get better than this, right?
Oh, fuck. People are going to want to be able to do this. Since the first lockdown, which was 6 weeks, so when we came out of that, regional business partners wanted a lot of specific business advisory help around marketing. And a lot of the people I was working with, I was actually helping them clarify their message so that they didn't confuse their audience and lose potential work. And what we discovered during that period also is that a lot of people didn't have structured marketing. It was kind of like, referral based. And so what I did back then was worked a lot with people. And I'm thinking now, I think we should put together something. And in the back of my mind, I've been thinking a 12-week challenge where people learn how to construct a 30-second pitch, a minute pitch, and a minute and a half pitch. They get help with the design, develop, deliver, and distribute aspect of the creation of some content that they can use on their website, they can use it on social, they can start doing stuff like posting to LinkedIn, to Facebook, to whatever. And you and I could literally help them through that process.
Absolutely. So what would the 12 weeks look like?
12 weeks would look like, I reckon, 2 hours a week where they came in and met us and we sat down, probably a group of around 20 to keep it low key for us. 20 people, 2 hours a week, and within it, I think within the first 3 sessions, I would do education, around, all the stuff around comms, how to get on stage, how to deliver, how to construct scripts, and then from there we get into script development. And I reckon it'd be really beneficial for people if they were accountable to actually create something, like maybe put together a sequence of 5 videos and actually put them out, kind of by the end of the day of us being together, and then keep doing that cycle. And I think what would be really cool is if they could do a big grand finale where you film them, like professional filming, everything else would be done by phone, and you would film them and that could go on their website as a lead gen or something like that as well. You could do a lot of teaching and education around how to do video properly, using lights, using their phone, because I think most people should be using their phones more. And then of course, if they need some real professional quality, they can get you to do it and help them. So essentially it would look like that, 12 weeks, 2 hours a day, once a week. So what do you think?
I think it's a great idea.
Fantastic.
What's the next step?
The next step would be to structure it, chuck it together. Actually, I've already got it pretty much structured. I've had it in my head for a wee while now. But how cool would it be if it could be co-funded by Regional Business Partner Network? Yeah. Partially funded.
That would be very cool.
Cool. Okay, so here's the deal. We rang them earlier today, and they said that, because we've already submitted it to be the application, they said that if enough people wanted it, they would fast track it. So if this sounds like something you'd be interested in, and what we're looking at is 12 weeks, 2 hours a week. Obviously this is when COVID settles back down and we can all meet in person and do some stuff. We'd probably host it at Vodafone here, and so it would be Christchurch based. And essentially it would be about accountability. Having a group of supportive people around you that help you craft videos, help you be engaging and entertaining, all those types of things. Me obviously helping with script development, us helping with areas of distribution. So how do you go to all the trouble to make these cool videos, how do you get it out there and get eyes on it? But essentially it's the accountability bit. I know for a lot of people doing a video is a great idea, but if there's not someone there going, come on, and you and I have experienced this, right?
Yeah. Absolutely.
Would we be doing these videos if we weren't accountable to each other?
I don't think so.
No, me neither. I mean, I would be doing other stuff. Yeah. I'd be too busy. Even though I don't mind doing videos now, it does take having someone to hold you accountable to get you in front of the camera and to write a script and to show up.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
So from here, I think people, for one, if this is something that is of interest, chuck some comments down and we'll run with that for a start. If you want more information, we'll send it through to you. We'll get this through to regional business and we'll push it from there as well. And from here, let's make this thing happen.
Absolutely. Looking forward to it.
Cool, man. Okay, take it away, wrap us up.
Thank you for tuning in. If you are interested in the 12-week challenge, chuck a comment down below and we'll get in touch with you once everything is sorted. Anything you want to add?
No, but I want to be in the camera shot in a safe way. See you, everyone. Bye from us.
Catch you next week.